Last night I had the strangest dream. Saw everybody running in the streets, leapfrog and salmon trying to get upstream. The dream was over but I could not sleep. I had to put on the lights when she said that. Last night I had the strangest dream. The sky was dark and I could not see. Felt underwater when I tried to scream. When I heard the rooster I was finally free. I was a little bit frightened when he said that. Last night I had the strangest dream. Me and the chickens running in the streets. We met a monkey with an eye that gleamed. He drew that line, we couldn't move our beaks now. A doggy woke me and he said, hey rooster. Last night I had the strangest dream. The war was over and I had no peace. The moon was waning so it wasn't the beams. It's just a dream but I have no peace. I eavesdropped on my masters. They said that last night we had the strangest dream. It was disturbing, oh what does it mean? Monkey in a turban, oh what does it mean? Last night we had the strangest dream. We better go to the mayor. Then we drove downtown to have a talk with the mayor. He told my masters, oh can't you see? What we have is a prophecy. Across your fingers people say a prayer. I'm not a religious dog but I said that.